In this video, I will show you how to add funds in OKX Wallet. So first of all, open your OKX Wallet app. And if you aren't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus and to receive up to $50 in free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video. And in order to add funds in OKX Wallet, we are going to the portfolio section at the bottom right. And from here, we're going to click on deposit. Right now, select deposit cash. And in here, you will see deposit methods based on the location where you are right now. So you can go ahead and select the payment method that you like the most, and you can make a selection based on the time that it takes for it to arrive. So this one at the top, it will arrive instantly. And this one, the SEPA, will take up to 2 business days. Both have no fees, so that is okay. So go ahead and select the one that you like. You can also change this to US dollars, and then you will make an international wire transfer. And this can take up to 5 business days, and you will pay a $3 fee. So I'm going to select this one in here. So I'm going to click on next. And right now, enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then you're going to click on preview. And after that, you can click on deposit, and then you will be redirected to your bank for the confirmation. So go ahead and follow all the steps that you will see in there. And after you follow every step, then you will add your funds in OKX Wallet. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.